Worried about after-sales support? QIE Group provides full, process worry-free service. Choosing the right edible oil pressing equipment and ensuring smooth operation can be challenging. QIE Group provides advanced edible oil processing machines with full pre-sale, in-sale and after-sale support. Pre-sale, we help with project assessment, budgeting, and feasibility studies. We provide customized equipment lists and design drawings to match your needs. In sale, this stage covers process design, equipment layout, procurement, installation, commissioning, and final acceptance. Every step is strictly controlled, and we provide operation and maintenance training to help your edible oil mill plant start production quickly. After sale, we offer long-term technical support, spare parts at cost, fast after-sales response within 12-24 hours, and regular follow-ups. For 43 years, QIE Group has continuously innovated, delivering complete edible oil processing solutions from raw material pretreatment, pressing, and solvent extraction to refining. Choosing QIE Group means selecting high-quality oil pressing equipment with reliable full process support.